Yeah, living life like this. Gotta paint a picture when I write like this. Not a sight like this, where they up to no good on a night like this. The name of the motherfuckers just cuz. Paper shit I see, you probably wonder what I was. I was in a crib just sitting on a rug. Bass just coming through looking for the plug. Now